Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. It looks perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front at all. Let's take a look at the driver's fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's door. This door is in excellent condition. There are no dents or scratches here at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. There are no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. And the back bumper is spotless as well. So everything on the driver's side and back are perfect. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no scratches on it, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks perfect. No scratches, no dents here at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender has no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat has no wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong. So the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the rest of the center console and make sure everything looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing anywhere here at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.